This lesson is about words that are used instead of nouns. I, you, we, they, it, she, he are called subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are words that are used instead of a noun. Let's look at the following examples. This is Anna. Anna is a girl. The subject pronoun that can be used instead of Anna is she. There are some words in English that refer only to females, such as aunt, mother, niece, sister, princess, and queen. Let's look at the following sentences. She is a girl. She is my aunt. She is my mother. She is my sister. This is Mark. Mark is a boy. And Mark is a male. In English, the subject pronoun that you use to refer to a male is he, he. There are also other words in English that can be used to refer to males, such as uncle, father, king, nephew, brother. Let's look at the following sentences. He is my brother. He is my uncle. He is my father. He is my nephew. Let's look at the subject pronoun it. The subject pronoun it is used to refer to things. Let's look at my pet. My pet is a bird. It is a bird. The cat is on the mat. It is on the mat. The food is delicious. It is delicious. The lamp is on the dresser. It is on the dresser. Let's look at the subject pronoun I. I is used to refer to yourself. Whenever you want to talk about yourself, you use the subject pronoun I. And remember, the subject pronoun always use the verb am. I am a girl. I am a singer. I am a writer. I am tired. I am happy. Let's look at the subject pronoun you. The subject pronoun you is used to refer to one individual or more than one individuals. The subject pronoun you always takes the plural verb are. You, my viewer, I'm talking to everybody who is viewing this video. You, so I'm talking to more than one person. You are my viewers. You are honest. You are intelligent. You are beautiful. Let us talk to John. John is one person. John is my friend. You are my friend. You are my neighbor. So I'm using these examples to show you that the subject pronoun you is used to refer to one person or a group of persons. Let us look at the subject pronoun we. The subject pronoun we is used when you want to include yourself in a conversation. Jonah and I are friends. We are friends. Jonah and I are classmates. We are classmates. Maria and I are on the choir. We are on the choir. Let's look at the subject pronoun they. John and Maria are cousins. They are cousins. The children are restless. They are restless. John, Peter, and James are friends. They are friends. Jesse, Robert, and Mark are siblings. They are siblings. Did you notice that we still use the three verbs is, am, and are in all of our sentences? I want you to remember that the verb am is only used with the subject pronoun I. The verb is, it is used with singular nouns when you're referring to one person, item, or thing. The subject pronouns he, she, and it are only used with the singular verb is. The subject pronoun we, you, and they are used with the plural verb are. Have you subscribed already? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe and hit the like button so other persons can gain access to my classes.